Together, we'll dive deep into the realm of frugalism, unravel its secrets, and unlock the hidden potential within you. Are you ready to reclaim your financial destiny? If so, take my hand and let's step into a world of endless possibilities. The adventure begins now. Chapter 1. Understanding Frugalism. The essence of frugalism, a captivating symphony of financial wisdom and empowerment. Let us embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of this profound philosophy that has the power to reshape your financial reality. Frugalism is not simply about pinching pennies or living a life of scarcity. It is a tapestry of deliberate choices carefully woven to create a masterpiece of financial freedom. It beckons you to embrace a mindset where every dollar becomes a soldier in the battle for your financial well-being. Imagine a world where you no longer bow to the shackles of excessive spending, where you become the architect of your financial destiny. Frugalism teaches us to dance in harmony with our means, to live below our income, and to find contentment in the simple pleasures that life has to offer. Through frugalism, you will discover the extraordinary power of living intentionally. It is a sanctuary where you learn to differentiate between wants and needs, finding solace in the embrace of mindful consumption. In this world, material possessions lose their grip on your soul, and the pursuit of financial independence becomes the true measure of wealth. Frugalism grants you the ability to sculpt your financial landscape, molding it to reflect your deepest desires. It is a path that leads not to deprivation, but to liberation. It empowers you to break free from the chains of consumerism and embrace a life enriched by financial mindfulness. As you journey further into the heart of frugalism, you will witness the blossoming of a newfound appreciation for the abundance that surrounds you. It is a shift in perception where material possessions fade into insignificance and experiences and relationships become the true treasures of your existence. Are you ready to awaken the frugalist within, to tap into a wellspring of knowledge that will illuminate your path toward financial independence? Then, my friend, stay with me. Together, we will delve into the depths of frugalism, unlocking its secrets and embracing the transformative power it holds. Chapter 2. Assessing your financial situation. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. In this chapter, we shall embark on a courageous expedition, dissecting the intricate tapestry of your income, expenses, and debts. Brace yourself, for this journey requires unwavering honesty and a willingness to confront the shadows that may lurk in the corners of your financial domain. Take a moment to cast aside fear and uncertainty and allow the light of clarity to guide your path. Together, we shall create a sacred space, a sanctuary, where you can lay bare the foundations of your financial existence. Let us begin by unearthing the gems of truth within your income. Reflect upon the fruits of your labor, the sum of your efforts in the pursuit of livelihood. This is the life force that breathes vitality into your financial realm, the catalyst for growth and transformation. Next, we must navigate the labyrinth of your expenses. Delve deep into the crevices of your financial records, uncovering every coin spent, every transaction that has shaped your journey. Be prepared to confront the specters of overspending, the haunting whispers of impulse purchases, and the hidden leaks that drain your precious resources. But fear not, for within this exploration lies the potential for liberation. Armed with the knowledge of your financial inflow and outflow, you gain the power to steer your ship towards calmer waters. By understanding where your hard-earned wealth is directed, you can forge a path towards optimal allocation and controlled spending. Debts. Those formidable adversaries that may cast a shadow over your financial aspirations. Embrace the courage to face these towering obstacles head-on. Acknowledge their presence, their weight upon your shoulders, and envision a future unburdened by their grip. Embrace the power of budgeting, my friend, for it is the cornerstone of financial empowerment. By crafting a budget, you erect a fortress of financial discipline, a shield against the temptations that may lead you astray. Track your expenses diligently, for they hold the key to unlocking the hidden treasures of savings and frugality. As we conclude this chapter, take a moment to appreciate the strength within you. By assessing your financial situation with unwavering honesty, you have taken the first courageous step on the path to financial transformation. Chapter 3. Setting Financial Goals. In the vast landscape of your financial odyssey, it is essential to chart a course guided by purpose and intention. Prepare to embark on a chapter of profound significance as we explore the art of setting financial goals, the compass that shall navigate your path to prosperity. Picture, if you will, a tapestry of dreams interwoven with ambition, resilience, and unwavering determination. These are the threads that shall form the foundation of your financial aspirations, propelling you towards a future of boundless possibilities. Setting sail without a destination is akin to wandering through a labyrinth without a guiding star. Thus, we shall first uncover the essence of goal setting, a beacon that illuminates your journey and fuels your pursuit of financial excellence. Within the realm of financial goals lies the power to breathe life into your dreams. They provide direction, clarity, and purpose, transforming mere wishes into tangible milestones of achievement. These goals, both grand and humble, serve as the catalysts that ignite your passion and propel you forward on the path to financial triumph. As we navigate this chapter, consider the vast expanse of opportunities that lie before you. Reflect upon the elements that hold personal significance, be it conquering debt, amassing wealth, or securing a stable future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, each goal is as unique as the individual who sets it. In the pursuit of financial goals, it is crucial to embrace the principle of SMART specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. By applying these criteria, you transform your aspirations into actionable steps, fueling your journey with clarity and focus. Take a moment to prioritize your goals, crafting a roadmap that aligns with your deepest values and aspirations. Is it the liberation from the shackles of debt that stirs your soul? Or perhaps the dream of building a robust emergency fund that serves as your guiding light? Embrace these goals, for they possess the transformative power to shape your financial destiny. Break down these audacious dreams into smaller, tangible milestones. Celebrate each step, no matter how small, for it is through these victories that the grand tapestry of financial success begins to take shape. Rejoice in progress, and let each accomplishment fuel your determination to march onward. Now, my fellow traveler, armed with the wisdom of goal setting, you stand poised at the precipice of a profound transformation. Your dreams and ambitions shall no longer be ethereal wisps, but beacons of light guiding your every step. Embrace the power of financial goals, for they possess the enchanting ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Set your intentions, unleash your passion, and prepare to embark upon a voyage of financial triumph that shall forever alter the trajectory of your life. As we conclude this chapter, remember that your dreams hold immeasurable worth. With each goal set, you breathe life into your aspirations, and with every milestone achieved, you come closer to the financial freedom you so ardently desire. Embrace this chapter of goal setting, my fellow adventurer, and prepare to unlock the untold treasures that await you in the realm of financial triumph. Chapter 4, Embracing Frugal Habits. As we traverse the enchanted path of frugalism, let us now delve into the realm of embracing frugal habits, those transformative rituals that breathe life into your financial journey. Here, amidst the whispers of mindful choices and intentional living, we shall uncover the keys to unlocking a world of abundance and contentment. Embracing frugal habits is not a sentence of deprivation, but rather an invitation to dance with the rhythm of financial liberation. It is a symphony of conscious decisions, each note contributing to the harmonious melody of financial well-being. Prepare to embark on a voyage of discovery, where small changes in your daily routine yield monumental transformations. Explore the uncharted territories of your spending patterns, question every purchase, and unveil the hidden treasures that await your discerning eye. In the realm of frugal habits, waste becomes an adversary to be conquered. Reflect upon the resources that flow through your fingertips and embrace the art of repurposing and recycling. Allow your creativity to flourish as you breathe new life into forgotten possessions, embracing a world where one person's discard becomes another's treasure. Prepare to embrace the joy of delayed gratification, for in this practice lies the profound wisdom of frugalism. Cultivate patience and restraint, resisting the allure of impulse purchases that whisper sweet promises of instant gratification. Instead, savor the anticipation, relishing in the satisfaction that comes with patiently working towards your desires. Nurture the seeds of self-sufficiency, for frugal habits awaken your inner artisan. Embrace the magic of cooking at home, transforming simple ingredients into culinary delights that nourish both body and soul. Discover the enchantment of mending and fixing, breathing new life into worn-out garments and cherished belongings. In the realm of frugalism, value transcends mere price tags. Embrace the pursuit of quality over quantity, seeking out items that withstand the test of time, evoking a sense of lasting beauty and functionality. Embrace the philosophy that every purchase is an investment, a carefully considered contribution to a life of purpose and intention. In the embrace of frugal habits, you unlock the gateway to financial freedom. Witness the steady accumulation of savings, the liberation from debt's grip, and the exhilaration of building a future of abundance. These rewards shall serve as the fuel that ignites your passion, sustaining your dedication to the frugal path. Now, my fellow seeker of frugal enlightenment, you stand at the threshold of a world imbued with conscious choices and intentional living. Embrace the power of frugal habits, for they hold the key to unlocking the boundless treasures that await you on this extraordinary journey. Chapter 5, Increasing Income. Within you lies a wellspring of untapped potential, waiting to be unleashed upon the world. It is time to unleash your inner entrepreneur, to embrace the spirit of innovation and creativity that shall elevate your financial journey to new heights. Prepare to step outside the confines of the familiar, for it is within the uncharted territories that you shall find the keys to unlocking new streams of income. Harness the power of your passions and talents and let them serve as beacons guiding you towards fulfilling and lucrative endeavors. Embrace the transformative force of continuous learning. Expand your skill set, acquire knowledge, and immerse yourself in the ever-evolving landscape of opportunities. Embrace the digital realm, where virtual marketplaces abound and the possibilities for remote work are vast. Open yourself to the world of freelancing, entrepreneurship, and online platforms that connect you with a global audience hungry for your unique offerings. Do not underestimate the power of collaboration. for it is through partnerships that you amplify your impact and broaden your horizons. Seek like-minded individuals who share your vision, and together, forge alliances that propel you toward shared success. In unity, you shall discover the strength to break through barriers and transcend the limitations of individual effort. Look around you and recognize the resources that lay dormant in your immediate surroundings. Convert your spare time into monetizable assets, turning hobbies and passions into profitable ventures. Embrace the gig economy, where flexibility and autonomy reign and where your skills can be marketed to those in need. Embrace the concept of multiple streams of income, for it is through diversification that you fortify your financial foundation. Explore investment opportunities, both traditional and unconventional, allowing your wealth to grow and multiply. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, where each stream of income becomes a stepping stone towards financial freedom. Remember, this journey does not end here. Financial freedom is not a destination, but a continuous evolution. It requires vigilance, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to the principles you have embraced.